Hey guys, what's happening? Today, we're dealing with some leaves, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the property, to the woods. I haven't really done a outdoorsy video in a while. Doing a lot of pipe videos, a couple RV videos. If you haven't seen them, check them out. 365 subscribers. Thank you. Actually, look, this morning, 364. Somebody dropped off. What's happening? Come on back, guys. But it's the time of the year. It's fall, autumn, whatever you want to call it. But just walking in circles real quick, you can see we do live kind of in the woods. Got a lot of trees. I got 3 huge maples that run my driveway, and a bunch of other trees. We'll call them a cherry and walnut, maybe. I'm bad with identifying. But it's time to get the leaves up, because over the years of living here, over 20 plus years of living here, I've done several things. When I first moved in, I had a rake, and that sucked. But I was also like 25 years old or 30 years old, whatever. But I move the leaves 3 times a year, because they seem to fall in 3 big groups, and we've got a lot of leaves on the ground. So I kind of get them, I push them, and I chop them up a little, and I bin up a bunch. Leaf mold, leaf compost. I'll leave a card for the leaf compost that I did. I'm going to take you over and show you what hooking on to that last video, my plans for changing things around. I'll show you what I did. So give me a second, we'll go over there and take a look. So this is the temporary I came up with. I thought I had more chicken wire to use, but I don't. But I got these metal rods, and I pounded those guys into the ground. And I just left the old wooden things on to zip tie to. I flipped it over. I put that piece of metal down in that other video. And this is just temporary because I was running out of time. The leaves are falling, and I pounded them in. So nothing's directly on the ground this year, and I shouldn't get that big root mass that kind of wasted a lot of leaf mold. Kind of on me because I didn't get it out quicker. But this gives me a little bit more height. But this is the basic design, but I'm probably gonna redesign it for next year. But for this year, this is what it's going to be. So, hold on. So that's where some of the leaves are going to go. And let me tell you, I got enough leaves, they're all not going to fit in there. I used to just not chop them at all and put them in there. Let them sit, let weather do its thing. And as you can see in a previous leaf mold video, leaf compost, I'm still unsure what we're calling it. It breaks down and it gets a real nice organic compost. I'm in my beds with, I'm mixing with other things. But that's kind of the plan for today. It's Saturday. It's not as cold out as I thought it was. This hat not needed. Gonna change it out. Put the old baseball cap back on. I'm smoking Brigham 4-dot bent without the distillator, by the way, in case people wonder about the Brighams. I do like my newer Brighams. They're great with the distillators, but these older ones, there's just something with them, and I wasn't getting the draw that I liked, so I wasn't really smoking them. So I took the distillator out, and I'm smoking it without the distillator. Great word to say. And it's smoking really good. And in it, I am smoking some McBaron H&H Dark Fired Kentucky Ready Rub. I bought in bulk, and it's really good with a cup of coffee. But let me see what else we're doing. Oh, hey, like, subscribe, share the video around. It's fun doing these videos. I hope people like them. I'll go take a little walk over in the driveway in the yards, and I'll show you what I'm up against with these leaves. Okay, back over in the, let me zoom that in. This is the top yard. You can see we got some leaves. There's another maple. Me and my daughter grew that maple from a helicopter. But here's the driveway. Leaves are falling as we speak. Here's what we're up against. And A lot of leaves. They come out of the driveway real nice. This is the side yard. Here are those big old maples. Nice little sunshot in there. And that is a pile of wood chip over there. Thank you, Chip Drop. And that's, gotta keep spreading. Gotta keep spreading. Whoops. My usual plan is I get everybody blown into the driveway. I move all the cars over here into the side yard, and I either use my tractor or a blower, and I get everybody into this side yard and everybody kind of down around here, and then I start running and chopping them up with the tractor to make them small, suck them up in the bin and put them over that way is where I collect my leaves. All the excess, after I get that filled up, just go over the hill. But this is the before shot. They're falling as we're speaking too. See that one falling? Oh, there's the pumpkins. My daughter carved some pumpkins last night, looking really nice. But hey, let's get moving some leaves. I think it's time to get the tractor. Okay, I'm gonna turn this way because the sun's right there. Ooh, check it out, probably made you dizzy. I'll spin around and show you the first little bit. So it's definitely a little more powdery and mixed and cut up than what I usually put in there. But that's because the little, let me spin you around. My small electric blower, and I do have a gas blower, but it's super loud, super hard to start. I haven't started it in a year and I didn't feel like it. But the electric blower, once you get leaves piled up so much, it's just not gonna blow them much anymore. So I made some nice piles. I run them over with my tractor, chop them up, and then I bag them. So I'm gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna get some of that in there. Then I'll have some bigger leaves and have just a nice big mix in here. Probably gonna be a little grass in there, but gotta keep keeping on. Okay guys, I got the cars back in the driveway. I'll show you. Oh, look at that. Did some running over. And now we got a good portion of it all blown over this way. These are a lot of leaves that I'm gonna put in my bin, and I'm also thinking I need to get some in the compost. So those are the ones that are gonna be finally chopped, because I've put whole leaves in the compost bins before, and I just end up with a big nasty layer of leaves that doesn't break down. But I'm gonna get some really, really, really ground up ones, and I'm gonna get them in there and mixed in with a bunch of the greens from the garden. And hopefully that's working out for us. Well, hey, let me get the tractor up and rolling, and let's get these leaves chopped up. Whew, okay. Leaf removal part 1. Like I said, I usually do this 3 times. I'll show you. That's the big pile of chips. A lot of pine chips in that one. So that's, compared to earlier, here is the driveway. And as you can see though, as the wind blows, more leaves are coming down as we speak. But the thing is, like I said, I've been doing this for 20 years here. And, oh my goodness, I've tried raking them onto tarps and dumping them over the hill. And one year I decided I'm gonna leave it natural. No, just killed a bunch of grass and it didn't look good at all. But now I use them. I mean, it's this free material to make compost and stuff for the garden. It's a natural resource, and like I said, I haven't chopped up the leaves as much, putting them in the bin over there. But I think it's gonna be good. I'm gonna put a bunch more on top and keep smashing it down, and then it'll rain on it, it'll snow on it, and it will turn into that black goodness that I put on my garden. And it's free. So what's better than free? Well, hey, I have some more cleaning up to do. I have a 150-foot extension cord to wind up and put away. I'll get my tractor back in the shed. And it might be time to get a little something to eat. But just wanted to show the first part. Made it this long. Thanks for watching. Like I said, like, subscribe, share the videos around. Got some really cool pipe videos and tobacco takes and RV stuff, gardening. This falls into some gardening, so to speak. But I'm a little tired from walking around out here. I think I got my steps in today. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Bye for now.